Mackinac Bridge serves as the gateway to the unspoiled natural beauty of the Upper Peninsula.
So behind us is Michigan. To the right is going to be Lake Huron. To the left is Lake Michigan. And straight ahead is the Ute.
The unspoiled natural beauty of the Upper Peninsula. Fall is a magical time to visit the Upper Peninsula, and thousands of acres of forest turn into spectacular pictures of color. The land of Longfellow, Hiawatha offers fantastic sightseeing, hiking, and hunting. There's lakes and
Loaded trucks 20, speed limit is 45.
Sorry, I guess the GoPro doesn't do very well at night.
It's different at night. You can pass me there.
I will say the road deck on the Mackinac Bridge at night is very well lit. You don't have to worry about not being able to see. You can see just fine. No problems.
The outer lane is normal size. The inner lane is a foot skinnier. And it has the grates. Skip the grates if I can.
On the north end of the bridge.
Oh, I guess I'm doing 40 and not 45.
Separating what would become Michigan's upper and lower peninsulas. Early on, the strait was recognized for their economic and strategic military value.
It's kind of cool that there's no maintenance on here. So I don't have to ride the grates.
I was talking to someone and they said, well, you should stop before crossing it at night. I don't think you want to cross that at night. But I'll tell you, at night, no problem at all.
Really happy with no wind.
The two majestic towers soar 552 feet above the water and extend another 210 feet below the surface to rest as bedroom. With 8,344 feet from cable anchorage to cable anchorage,
Well, I guess there's some construction.
over 42,000 miles of wire are banded together to form the massive 24-in-1
Lake looks still as heck too. Those lights are not dancing around at all. Or lakes, plural. And that truck, I don't know where that truck went. Hope it didn't go over. I can't even see his headlights back there.
Currently, the bridge carries over 4.8 million vehicles each year. The Mackinac Bridge serves as the gateway to the unspoiled natural.
Okay, I'm gonna say this as someone, I wouldn't call myself afraid of heights because I always end up finding my way on the edges of cliffs and stuff like that, but I'm not fond of heights. I'll say I like crossing this better at night because you can't really see that you're 200 feet above the water, you know. I thought it was going to be weird, but I kind of liked it. And I definitely liked the no wind aspect.
Explanation. Where I said the lake looked calm, you can't see the lake. It's the reflections from the city lights that weren't moving.
Looking for my money. There's a 5. Again, RVs are 10, cars are 4, and I normally get charged as a car, so I'm gonna try to do that power of suggestion thing and give them a 5. I hope when I stop over here I can get a good picture of the lights.
I again apologize. I wanted to show crossing the bridge at night, but I realize now that the GoPro doesn't do a good job at night. I'm sorry.
How you doing?
Hi.
That's my first at night crossing.
Pretty, ain't it?
Yeah.
You need a receipt?
No, I'm okay. Thanks, you too. I might add when I get to the casino on here.
Was known as the bridge that could.
All right, St. Ignace at night. We'll speed this up. $50 degrees, 8:45. This place is asleep. Well, some of these things are open.
I think most of the little stores are busy restocking shelves for tomorrow's tourist explosion of trinket buying and all that kind of good stuff.
I'm paying the $15 so I can use a hot tub. Plus, I did not bring my winter jacket. I brought some fleece and quite a few sweatshirts and long sleeve, but I should have brought my winter coat. You want to go to Driftwood, Ben? You're looking out the window. I know, Geek. Lato's is closed. That's about it of the tourist town. Next stop, casino.
All right, YouTubers, I found it. Guess where it was? It was under my blanket. I guess when I was setting everything up, I put it under the blanket. So, yay. An hour and a half wasted searching for this thing. All right, one night at Quaden. Have a great and wonderful day.